Good evening, sir. So we we demo the final the midterm lab exam. So this is our landing page. This is the code, sir, and this, sir, and this the database. So one coming from SQL, open database name. So it's like natin. Which this is the output, sir, of our landing page. So ito po yung seminar noon na ginanap ko nung first day workshop, kumbaga. So, about IT Week 2025. IT Week is a long event that showcases the latest trends, project innovation, and field of information technology. It brings student, faculty, and industry partners to explore new technologies in street and IT skill through various activity, exhibit, and competition to promote, encourage, and participate in organization in information technology. So, dali, mga list of activities, sir: robot making, coding, competition, and cosplay. Workshop, which is the seminar, and IT exhibit, capstone exhibit, and this is the contact register. And that's all, sir. Thank you po.